Bordeaux is a great place for shopping. The city centre and the pedestrian areas close to the opera are packed with small boutiques and famous brands. But if you're looking for great offers in cool surroundings, the Quai de Marques is a great alternative. We cannot call it a hidden gem because its 5 massive converted old storage buildings along the river Garonne is quite easy to spot. If you follow the beautiful walkway along the river from the water mirror in front of Place de la Bourse, in direction of La Cité de Vin, the new wine museum, you'll pass the Quai de Marques. It's not fair to call this place a factory outlet because of its design and location, but with the selection of more than 30 boutiques with great offers, it's actually that. In addition to outlet stores for brands such as Hugo Boss, Triumph, Salomon, Clerks, BoConcept and Le Coq de Sportif, you'll also find 13 restaurants and cafes with great seafood restaurants, 2 sports bars and Starbucks. Most restaurants have outdoor tables facing the river, where you can look at the cyclists, joggers and rollerbladers in front of the impressive Château de Charbin-Delmas bridge. It's easy to access Quai de Marques, both by foot, bike, tram or car. The Bordeaux tram passes right behind the building with its own stop. If you come by car, there's a large indoor parking in one of the buildings with direct access to the waterfront. If you prefer to stay close by, one of my favorite Bordeaux hotels, the Seco Hotel, is located right behind the store buildings. This is a design hotel with a facade built entirely in crayon and looks like a huge iceberg. Quai de Marques is open on weekends and several days a week. Make sure to check their website for opening times before you visit. The restaurants are open every day.